today I am doing another haul. This is just some fall tops I got from Garage. I think it's like 5 or 6 pieces that I want to incorporate into my wardrobe as I don't have anything like them and I'm bringing in more colors for fall. Yeah, other than that, on to the video. Alright, so the first item that I got is this tube top. I think it was like $13, which is a really good price. It's I got it in a small, which I don't usually do just because I like things to be held, but it's actually holding it up really good. It's a nice material. It feels like it's like really comparable to like the Brandy Melville ones, but like a lower price point and more of a design. I think it's super cute. The only thing that like I'm not quite sure about is like the stripes here, but like if you were smaller chested, you wouldn't have an issue. Alright, so the next item that I got is this peachy top. I think it was like $18. It's really soft and cropped and cute. It's a super cute color for fall. It's really soft. The only thing is like I struggle with this, but I'm sure like most girls don't. But other than that, like if it was like just sit down, cute and casual. I got this one in a small because I wanted that cropped look to it. But I probably should have gotten a medium just because for an oversized fit. So the next item that I got is a red oversized tee. Also got the crop fit, but one thing that I'm not a huge fan of this is if I put my arms up the slightest bit more, you're in for a wild ride. Let's just say that, okay? It is a thicker material though, which is cute, and the sleeves are a bit longer and have this cute little stripe on them. But it is adorable and super like with a high-waisted, even like tie a flannel around just to like hold it down. With high-waisted jeans. And I think I paid, I don't know, like maybe like 16, 17 for it. I don't remember. But I think it's one of my faves. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10 for material. Keep it covered. Okay, so next up is probably one of my all-time favorite pieces actually. A super cute crop top. It was actually like a decent price. Like I think it was like 16 bucks. Like that's what I love about Garage is they're really fair priced. It says Saturday on it. It's supposed to like replicate Supreme minus the Supreme price. LOL, basic white girl. It's a super cute crop top. I won't show it from the front because it is a little too small and we're just, yeah, love that. Super cute though, super cute with a jean jacket. Yeah, you guys are definitely gonna be seeing this a lot because I'm in love. Hello! Okay, so I like this one, but I'm also in a basement right now. It's like minus 27,000 degrees down here. Love that. It's got a cute back. Cute front, but here we are. It's a really thin material also, but it says honey on it. Cute. It's kind of like a ribbed material. It's definitely cropped. It has a decent amount of support and I think it's adjustable. It is adjustable. And we're back. It's an adjustable straps, which is really nice. It's a ribbed material, which is also super nice, and it's just super comfy and super cute for like going out or whatever, but definitely wear a bra with it. So next I got a camo tank top, but just a disclaimer, size up because we are just rocking the side boob right now, but it's fine. That's a really cute back. It like ties and stuff, so it is adjustable, and it's a really nice like just like a cotton material, so like if you put it in the dryer it'll probably shrink even more, so like I think like an extra large would have been good for me. Yeah, love that. Other than that, it's super cute. Just make sure you really size up, and I'll probably return it and honestly size up because this is kind of useless to me. Other than that, I think it is super cute, and yeah, with a jean jacket and stuff. Hello. You guys want to watch me drink water? ASMR water. What the fuck? Okay, so I decided to buy a dress and It's way too big. I could literally wrap myself. Hello. The back's cute. Kind of. If I worked out more, it was cute. I hate the front. I hate it in general. Never wearing a dress ever again. TTYLXOX. It's kind of choking me. I'm not okay. This is a little scandalous. Hello. Ooh. Hello. Guys, this is literally why I don't wear dresses, but a little long. Other than that, super cute. No, it's not, just kidding. Psych, got you there. That's all I have to say about it because I'm literally taking it off and never putting it on ever again. Alright guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I post every Sunday and Wednesday, and yeah, awesome. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment what you want to see next, what you liked about it. If you hate this dress as much as I do, let me know because it's awful. Let's be real. Other than that, awesome. Make sure you watch my previous videos. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.